In this video, we will learn the different ways to manipulate the viewpoints on the software. First, we can zoom in and out by using the mouse scroll. And if we click and hold the right mouse button, we can arrange the orientation of the workspace view. As you may have noticed, both the rotation and zoom go according to the center of the workspace. We can change that point by double-clicking with the right mouse button onto the surface which we would like to focus on. Alternatively, if we press and hold the scroll button, we can move the workspace in any direction we want, which will also change the focus. By using the View menu, we can focus on a specific direction, for example, from the front, or from the top. We can also change between perspective and orthographic view. The orthographic is especially useful when we want to arrange the position of the modifiers on the insole. For example, let's try to align this rectangular modifier with the other one. Using the perspective view, this task becomes quite challenging. While if we go with the orthographic view and go from the top, which I can do also by pressing Ctrl 1, that task becomes significantly easier. The last option regarding the view is the reset. By using the reset camera button, which can also be found in the View menu, the camera will be brought to its default position. Thank you for watching.